Have high blood pressure? Your blood pressure is considered high when it's above 140/90. It's a constant problem, also known as hypertension. High blood pressure is very dangerous, and if it doesn't get treated, it can cause even worse health problems. The most common symptoms that people with hypertension experience are dizziness, leg pain, cramps, abnormal heartbeats, insomnia. Unfortunately, all of these symptoms can lead to death. Normally, high blood pressure is treated with medicine, but there are a few natural alternatives that might be able to help you control your blood pressure. Magnesium. Magnesium is great for the entire cardiovascular system. It dilates your arteries and lowers your blood pressure. Studies have revealed that people who took magnesium supplements for 2 weeks experienced a significant drop in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Bananas. Potassium lessens sodium's effects on your cardiovascular health and helps to control blood pressure. Bananas, just like sweet potatoes and apricots, are rich in this mineral. Lemon water. You probably already know that drinking lemon water every day on an empty stomach has several benefits. The recipe is easy. Juice a lemon into a cup of water and drink it before breakfast. It's beneficial because it relaxes your blood vessels, hydrates the body, and protects the walls of your veins. Garlic. Garlic is considered to be one of the most healthy foods in the world. It regulates blood pressure and supplies your body with sulfur. Sulfur naturally stimulates nitric oxide production, which is great at dilating blood vessels. You can eat 2 garlic cloves every day. If you have stomach problems, it's better to take it in capsules. Apart from these recipes, there are some habits you can implement into your day-to-day routine that can help. Avoid eating salt. Avoid fatty foods. Reduce caffeine consumption. Exercise regularly. Avoid smoking and drinking. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.